How to fly using Trident in Minecraft. So first, of course, you will need a Trident and the Riptide book right here, the Riptide enchantment. So the higher the better. So I'm gonna use the Riptide 3 right here. Now get your anvil, place it on the ground, then right click on it to open it up. Place your Trident right there and place the enchanted book. Then you will get the Trident Riptide 3. So it will cost you 6 enchantments. So just simply get it. Now this will not work while you are on the ground. But if it's raining while you're on the ground, it can work. But if it's not raining and you want to fly using it, just simply need to go to the water right here, right click, and as you can see, you will be sent high up just like that. So let's just see right here again. I'm gonna do it. Now we're just basically flying with the trident. But if I do it on the ground, it will basically do nothing. So I'm right clicking and it's not working. But when I'm on the water, I'm just simply flying with the trident. So first, I'm just gonna make it rain right here. So I'm gonna use the weather. I'm gonna use a weather command. I'm gonna make it rain. Oops. I'm gonna tweet another one. Rain. Enter. And now as you can see, when I use my trident again, right click, and as you can see, I can go with the trident right here. And as you can see, it's pretty cool using this. So I'm gonna change my POV so that you can see what it looks like on third person. So it looks like that, which is pretty amazing. And that's how you basically fly using Trident in Minecraft.